Hello, welcome to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna take you through a fun weekend we had in Wexford. We are currently in Wexford. It's our third day here. We did something very interesting yesterday. But before we go to that, I would like to show you a quick recap of our entire journey. And yeah, let's see. We took a train exactly at 5:54 p.m. on a Friday from Dunleary, and it took almost 1.5 hours to reach the Wexford city. Our plan was to stay in the city itself for the night, so we took a local minibus to the hotel that we were staying in, which is the New Town Park Hotel. We checked in, had some welcome drinks, and I'm gonna give you a quick room tour. We managed to get a single room for 5 people at a very affordable price. As you can see, the room is very spacious, just perfect for 5 people, and we had a balcony with a beautiful view. We freshened up, got some drinks, spent some time in the hotel premises, and later headed to the city to get dinner. We had a quick stroll through the city. Welcome to day 2. After having our morning coffees, we headed to the restaurant in the hotel and had a complete Irish breakfast. We checked out by 10, left our bags in our second accommodation and headed towards Kilmore Key. Our ferry was at 12 and we had 1 hour to explore the market and do some shopping. We found some cute souvenirs from a shop called The Hidden Gem. Our ferry arrived exactly at 12 p.m. and it's roughly a 15-minute journey to the island, and we have to move to a mini boat and it's a wet landing. This is the island. ഒരു 3-3.5 മണിക്കൂറാണ് നമുക്ക് ഐലൻഡിൽ സ്പെൻഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ അനുവദിച്ചേക്കുന്ന സമയം. കുറച്ച് ഇൻസ്ട്രക്ഷൻസ് ഒക്കെ തന്നിട്ട് നമ്മളോട് നടന്നോളാൻ പറഞ്ഞു. ആദ്യം കാണുന്ന ഗ്രൂപ്പ് ഓഫ് ബേർഡ്സ് ആണ് പഫിൻസ്. 2000 മുതൽ 3000 പഫിൻസ് വരെ ഏപ്രിൽ മുതൽ ഓഗസ്റ്റ് വരെയുള്ള മാസങ്ങളിൽ സോൾട്ടി ഐലൻഡ്സിൽ വരുമെന്നാണ് പറയപ്പെടുന്നത്. They mate for life and they usually lay only 1 egg per breeding season. They are also ground nesting birds, and once their offsprings are ready to fly, they leave the islands by the end of August. ഞങ്ങൾ അവരെ നോക്കി ഇങ്ങനെ കുറച്ചു നേരം അവിടെ ഇരുന്നു. പിന്നെ ഒരു ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റിംഗ് ഫാക്ട്, ഈ സൗത്ത് ഈസ്റ്റേൺ മിഡ്ലൻഡ്സ് ഓർ സൗത്ത് ഈസ്റ്റ് മിഡ്ലൻഡ്സ് എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ ഈ വെക്സ്വേർഡ് ഇരിക്കുന്ന പരിസര പ്രദേശങ്ങളെല്ലാം ഈസ് കോൾഡ് ദ ഫ്ലോറിഡ ഓഫ് അയർലൻഡ്. എന്ന് വെച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ സമ്മറിൽ വളരെയധികം ചൂട് ലഭിക്കുന്ന സ്ഥലമാണെന്നാണ്. സോ നല്ല വെയിലും ചൂടൊക്കെ ആയിരുന്നു, പക്ഷെ എന്നാലും നല്ല രസമായിരുന്നു. ഞങ്ങളവിടെ ഇരിക്കുമ്പോൾ തന്നെ 2 പേര് സീഗൾസ് വന്ന് പിടിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് പോയി. ഈ സീഗൾസ് എല്ലായിടത്തും ഒരു വിഷയമാണ്. Puffins are not very aggressive, but that doesn't mean that we can go really close to them. നമ്മളെപ്പോഴും ഒരു സേഫ് ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് അവർക്കൊരു സ്പേസ് കൊടുത്തിട്ടേ നിൽക്കാൻ പാടുള്ളൂ. You can't feed them, touch them, or you can't go anywhere near them. So please be aware of that. And we are back to Kilmore Key, and we grabbed a quick snack and headed back to our accommodation in Kilmore Village. Again, a quick room tour. We freshened up, played some games, spent some time in the garden, chilled, and that's the end of day 2. Welcome to day 3, and it's again the same thing. We had our morning coffee, had a complete delicious Irish breakfast. The place we were staying at had a very beautiful, well-maintained garden. Our train back to Dunleary was at 2:36 p.m. So we went back to Wexford City, took a quick stroll around the city, went to some shops, grabbed some books and had few drinks. And yeah, that was it. And it was a wonderful experience because ഇതൊരിക്കലും നടക്കും എന്ന് വിചാരിച്ച ഒരു ട്രിപ്പല്ല, because it's very far from where we live and the commute and everything, it's very difficult. So we are really glad that we made it. So we'll be seeing more videos of the Puffins and then we'll slowly wind up this vlog. Hope you enjoyed the video. So see you in another vlog and thanks for watching. Bye.